Here we go!
Hi, Aki. What are you doing? What's that?
Mario.
Mario, you have a new toy? Huh? Mario and Luigi. Are you going to open it now?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what are you going to open it first? Mario first?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me?
Here we go!
Whoa, that's nice. How about the other one?
Here we go!
Mario and the star. Luigi. That's Luigi and the star. Wow.
Mario.
Mm.
How many figures?
How many figures? You need to collect those.
We need three.
3 more.
We need the ghost.
The ghost and then?
And the fireball.
Okay. Who's that? You don't know. Wow! What's that? Huh?
This is Mario.
Yeah. And then? What's with him? It's a pow. What's that? Maybe it's the power-ups. It's hard. Okay, can I help you? You can bend his arms and legs too. Oh.
You can run anything.
Okay. You ask Daddy, what is that? What's that? Pow. Is that pow?
Ow.
What's a pow?
Look out.
It's... Are you going to open the Luigi now?
Yes.
Okay. What's inside? Show us. Star. Wow. And
And Luigi.
Luigi. What color is Luigi?
Green.
Green hat and shirt. You can also bend Luigi's arms and legs. Akico. This is Pow Block. And this one is Superstar. So Luigi with Superstar.
Catch me.
Oh, you can bend it. You can bend their arms and legs.
I can catch you. Whoa, wow. Oh. Oh. I need to stand up. Me. Lift the head. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hide and seek. Okay.
I found you, Mario. Okay.
I found you, Mario. Hide and seek.
Oh, Mario. this, and this one, this is
Superstar.
this is the checkpoint. Done.
Done? How many? 9. Okay. What? Mario. Mommy's turn. That's good. Okay. Mommy got 3. Now step 3. 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang, bang. And again, you. Roll the dice.
Ooh, Nine.
9. 6 plus 4. Are you sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Roll the dice. How many?
7.
7. Very good. Oh, you move Mario. 7 steps. 1, 2,
2,
4.
5,
Very good. Oh, mommy. 7 na. Okay. Stay there. You. Roll the dice for me. Come on. How many? 3 plus 2. 5. Oh, will you move Luigi 5 steps? Oh, come on, 5 steps. 1. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.